March in Italy is a magical time to explore the country's stunning landscapes, historic landmarks, and vibrant culture. With mild weather and fewer crowds, it's the perfect month to visit some of Italy's most iconic destinations. Let's dive into what makes March special in Italy. Rome. In March, Rome's weather is comfortably mild, with temperatures ranging from 7 degrees Celsius to 16 degrees Celsius. This makes it an ideal time to explore the Eternal City without the summer crowds. Start your journey at the Colosseum, where the grandeur of ancient Rome comes to life. Nearby, the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill offer glimpses into the city's storied past. Make your way to the Vatican, home to breathtaking attractions like St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. With shorter lines in March, you can take your time to appreciate Michelangelo's masterpiece. Don't forget to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck and enjoy the lively atmosphere of Piazza Navona. To truly savor Rome, embark on a food tour through Trastevere or Campo dei Fiori. Street food like sapli, fried rice balls, and maritozzi, cream-filled pastries, will add a delicious touch to your adventure. Venice. Venice in March is enchanting, with temperatures between 4 degrees Celsius to 13 degrees Celsius. The city's misty mornings add a dreamlike quality to its canals and historic streets. Begin your visit with a gondola ride, gliding past centuries-old architecture. Explore iconic sites like Piazza San Marco, the Doge's Palace, and the Rialto Bridge. If you're visiting in early March, you might still catch the tail end of Carnavale. This vibrant festival, featuring elaborate masks and parades, is a feast for the senses. For art lovers, the Peggy Guggenheim collection offers a stunning array of modern masterpieces. A side trip to Burano is a must. This colourful island, with its vividly painted houses, feels like a living postcard and perfectly captures the essence of spring. Tuscany. Tuscany in March begins to bloom, with temperatures ranging from 6 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Florence's landmarks, like the Duomo and the Uffizi Gallery, are a must-see, but the region's charm extends far beyond the city. Venture into the countryside to explore medieval towns like Siena and San Gimignano. The rolling hills and vineyards of the Chianti region come alive with early spring colours. In Montefiorale, the Sagra delle Fritelle festival celebrates fried treats, accompanied by local music and festive cheer. Whether you're enjoying a wine tasting in the countryside or strolling through Florence's historic streets, Tuscany offers an unforgettable experience. Umbria. Known as the green heart of Italy, Umbria's natural beauty shines in March. With temperatures between 5 degrees Celsius to 14 degrees Celsius, it's perfect for exploring. Assisi, the birthplace of St. Francis, boasts the awe-inspiring Basilica of St. Francis, adorned with frescoes by Giotto. Perugia, Umbria's capital, offers medieval charm and a thriving art scene. Orvieto's stunning Duomo, perched atop a volcanic hill, is a sight to behold. For a peaceful retreat, take a walk through the region's olive groves and rolling hills. Don't miss the Festa di San Giuseppe on March 19th. This lively celebration features traditional foods like zappole, fried dough, and other local delicacies. Puglia. March in Puglia is serene, with mild weather and fewer crowds. This southern region is known for its trulli houses in Alberobello, distinctive with their conical roofs. Lecce, often called the Florence of the South, showcases stunning Baroque architecture. Polignano a Mare's dramatic cliffs and turquoise waters are breathtaking, while Ostuni's whitewashed buildings glow under the spring sun. The Feast of St. Joseph on March 19th is a highlight, featuring traditional dishes and lively festivities. Wander through olive groves and savour Puglia's renowned cuisine, including orecchiette pasta and fresh seafood. Matera. Matera's unique cave dwellings, the Sassi, make it one of Italy's most fascinating destinations. In March, with temperatures in the 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, it's comfortable for exploring. Stroll through the historic centre, where ancient cave churches like Santa Maria de Idris transport you back in time. Visit the Casa Grotta di Vico Solitario to see how people once lived in these caves. For nature lovers, Murgia Materana Park offers scenic hiking trails with panoramic views. The Festa della Donna on March 8th adds a touch of celebration to your visit, honouring women with special events and traditions. Sicily. Sicily's warmer climate makes it an excellent choice for March. Visit the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, where almond blossoms create a stunning backdrop for ancient ruins. Palermo's Cappella Palatina dazzles with its intricate mosaics. Taormina offers sweeping views of Mount Etna and the Ionian Sea, while Syracuse captivates with its historic streets and Baroque architecture. Local festivals, like the Feast of St. Joseph, bring communities together with processions and traditional foods. With blooming landscapes and fewer tourists, Sicily in March is a delightful blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. March in Italy is a time of renewal, where each region offers its own unique charm. Whether you're drawn to the ancient streets of Rome, the romantic canals of Venice, or the sun-soaked landscapes of Sicily, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Italy's diverse beauty and cultural heritage await you this spring.